Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. Let's talk today about the tick. And what I mean by that is not a tick chart. In other words, that would be like if I changed my time frame here, I could pick 1 tick, 10 ticks, 25 ticks, and it would actually show me instead of time in these bars or candles, it would show me ticks. So instead of talking about it like that, because of course, to make it very confusing for people, there are multiple things that are called the tick in trading. So the one that I'm referring to today is down here in this bottom left-hand corner. This is a tick chart or the tick for the NASDAQ. Now, a lot of people might be familiar with the tick, in other words, TICK, which would be cash sign TICK. And that is tracking the New York Stock Exchange. And that's showcasing whether the market is ticking up or it's ticking down. So it's a market internal that we can utilize in addition to our candlestick charts to see what in the heck is going on. But the reason that I use the tick Q is that for the most part, I generally trade the NASDAQ. So if you, like me, most of the time trade the same thing, you might want to drill down from the TICK tick to the tick that goes to your specific market. As an example, like I said, TIKQ is the tick for the NASDAQ. TIKI, or the Ticky, which has a great name, that's the one for the Dow. So you could, if you trade the Dow most of the time, you could use this cash sign TIKI, Ticky, or if you wanted to trade the Russell, cash sign TIKRL. That's the one that goes to the Russell. So, like I said, if you generally trade the same thing, you might want to get a little bit more specific than just the overall New York Stock Exchange, which is the tick TICK, and drill down more specifically into one of those other ones. Now, as a reminder, Apex has their 80% off sale going on right now. That is going through the weekend, I believe, until Tuesday. So if you happen to mess some stuff up this week, no problem. This is the beauty of trader funding is for those of us, if you're in the same boat as I am, we're learning, we're growing, and we're developing as traders. To my mind, there is no better way to do that than in trader funding because why? You're not risking your own money. I wish I had learned about trader funding much, much, much earlier in my trading career. That would have changed a lot of things for me. I didn't, but now I am on a mission to make sure that you all know about it because it is a great resource to have, either if you only have a small account or if you're just learning and you don't want to put all of your own hard earned capital at risk, which I don't recommend you do. So trader funding is an awesome option. Apex is by far the best company out there. I've done a lot of research on various ones. So for a variety of reasons, I choose Apex. That's what I used myself, and I recommend that you check it out as well. Have an awesome weekend. I will look forward to seeing you next week. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.